How to return an item on Lazada for a refund online. Now, the very first thing that you have to be reminded of is returning an item on Lazada may be depending on the product that you processed for a refund. But all the process that is involving refund will automatically be paid out to your Lazada wallet. Say for example, you are currently processing for a refund online, then you just have to make sure first that your Lazada wallet is fully activated. Just go ahead and scroll down to your account and then go to my Lazada wallet, and then in here you just have to activate it. Now once your Lazada wallet is fully activated, you will now be returning the products or item that you ordered. So once proven the item is damaged, then it's gonna also be depending on the returning process of the item that you are trying to get a refund with. Now, some of the items on Lazada does not require you to return the item as long as you're giving out or you're providing all informations that the item that you receive is currently damaged. Now, once you process a return, you just have to check the status of the return policy of that specific product on checking it under my orders and check to review. And that's it. Once everything is sorted out, it will automatically be reflected on your Lazada wallet for your refund. So that's how you go ahead and return an item on Lazada for a refund online.